Today I'm gonna open my BoxyLuxe for the month of June 2022. I haven't opened it or see what is inside. I don't remember any of the spoilers for this box, so this is gonna be my first impression, and if you want to see what I got in here, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is a big box. I have no idea what is in here, so let's open it and see. Okay, so here's the first impression. Let's get the card. This is what it looks like. And this month themes is summer. The box number is C2206401LX. And let's see, okay, this box is really big. I have to make a lot of space here on my desk. But let's see, the first thing here on my box is this, which is Be Unique, Be United, Be You. Okay, this, it says Wii U Collection includes 3 full sizes and 3 mini blenders. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's open the box. Okay, these little mini sponges. This is really good because I think I was running out of blenders, so this is like the perfect timing to get more of this. So I'm definitely gonna use them. This one retails for $65. Okay, so perfect timing, good price. I'm gonna use them. The next item, ooh, it's a NARS. It's a lipstick NARS. Okay, this one retails for $26, and the shade is Tanganyika. I promise I can never. Okay, I'm gonna put the name of the shade here on the side, and let's. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, this is a really nice shade. It's like brownish. Okay, and it has NARS. Nice. I like to get really nice lipsticks. The next item here is Kiss Soul Care. Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. I don't know, what is that? This one retails for $26. And let's see. Ooh, okay, this is a really nice packaging. This is what it looks like. Ooh, okay, it says I give myself permission to glow. That's really cute. Okay, I never heard of this brand before, so I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts on it. The next item here is this, and what is this? Okay, this is a Flower Leave-In Conditioner. So this one retails $26, and it says this conditioner may provide heat protection up to 450 degrees. Okay, I like that. Let me see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells really it smells really good. Ooh, it smells kind of orange with flowers, if that makes any sense. Okay, this is the botanical blend also prevents breakage, repair damage, enhances shine, and increases softness. Plus it carries this signature citrus scent. Okay, that's exactly what it smells like flowers and orange. It smells really pretty. The next item here is Fuji. What are you? Oh, okay, this one retails for $42 and is a vitamin cocktail. Okay, it has vegan collagen, vitamin C, and lychee extract. Okay, this packaging looks so pretty, and let's see. I think this one smells like cucumber because it's green, but let's see if I can ever open it. Oh wow, this is really big. I was not expecting it to be this big. And the packaging is really cute. Wow. Okay. It has the seal. No. I don't know what it smells like. It smells clean, but I don't know. It doesn't smell anything familiar. But it smells pretty clean. And this is the color. I like getting skincare products. I'm gonna try it and I will let you know what I think about it. So far, I'm liking this box a lot. A lot. Okay, no, we have 2 more items. The next, I think this is it. It smells, oh my god, this smells really pretty. This is an LMS Clarifying Clay Wash. How much are you? This one retails for $49, and wow, this one smells really, really nice. Oh my god, yes. Okay, this one is a deeply cleans pores and reduce the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash. Okay, good, because I was running out of my wash. Okay, I feel like Boxy knew what I was starting to need or something, because I was needing a wash, I was needing the blenders, and I don't have one of these, so I need it. Good. LMS is a really good brand. I have used a lot of their products and I like them a lot. No complaints on that. So this is a good product, good item to receive. And it retails for $49. And I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts on this later, next video. I'll do a video trying. Oh, you know what? Follow me on my TikTok. I will post videos and updates and my opinion on these products. Let's do that. I'll leave my TikTok down below here. Okay, and last but not least, this. Oh no, hold on. There's one more thing here. But let's do this first. Cotton Candy Champagne. Ooh, maybe it's an eyeshadow palette. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, this is very pretty. This is very pretty, and it's a blush lighter palette to blush. This is so pretty. It opens like this. Okay, wow, this is so pretty. The packaging is so cute. So this is the palette. Oh wow, these colors are super pretty. This is what it looks like. Let's do some swatches. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Actually, I don't think you can see them very well. But anyways, this one right here is Sip Sip Hooray. This is 24-hour champagne diet. This one is Stop and Smell the Rose. And this one right here is No Champagne, No Gain. These are very cute shades. This is so pretty. Just look. Wow. This is a really nice. And this one retails for $38, and this is from Beauty Bakery. Cotton Candy and Champagne Blush Palette. Okay. Wow, this is so pretty. Really, really pretty. And the last but not least is this item right here. Okay, this is a Major Glow Lip Shine. This one retails for $22. And let's see. Okay, and this is on... Oh, she's expensive. Let's look at her. Oh wow, this is so pretty. This is a really nice shade. Oh wow. Okay, so this box is really, really nice. Like I think this is like a top. No, I think this is like the best box of the year. And I don't usually dislike anything, but I think that this is like a really great box. Okay, so let's recap what I got in this box. So I got this. I got this cleanser from Elements. I got this conditioner for the hair. I got this serum. I got this mask. I got the NARS. I got this lip gloss, and I got this. So yes, this is a really, really good box. So I'm gonna leave here the prices of what I got, so you know, but honestly this was a really good box. I'm really pleased. But let me know what you think. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what are you doing this summer. The weather here in Oklahoma is crazy, so stay safe, stay cool out there, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.